Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real out of the real. Trabass will be releasing his EP on August 31st. Last Tuesday, he released the pre-release, which includes the song Tell Him a Lie and number 1. Work it, work it. Watch out them I work it. Destiny, Sparta, and Renee6 have finally released their music video for their hot song Work It, Work It. Here's a sneak peek.
Hold my man, like a ding, I'm rock it like a swing song. Me know if you hold my man. Show me a work it, work it, work it. Yes, I saw me twerk it, twerk it, twerk it. Yes, I saw me work it, work it, work it. Yes, I saw me twerk it, twerk it.
UK's bad gal Stefflon Don. Her album has officially reached the top 40. You can see her celebrating in
Bitch, we running where we going cause you top 40 ho on these motherfuckers. Step your mouth, breath, I can't run, you better jump. What? Somebody come take a look at this. Somebody come take a look at this. You better jump.
Rihanna will be coming out with a documentary. In 2016, news had a release that she'll be coming out with one, directed by Peter Berg. Known for his famous American movies, Battleship, Hancock, which starred Will Smith, and Patriots. There's not a release date, but he also stated that within a few months it should be released. A title also hasn't been released yet, but we are look feed bad gallery. Konshens is giving out opportunity. Last week he had posted a photo with this caption. It gave people an opportunity who are writers to write possibly a song for him. The rhythm that was posted a couple days ago has been removed, and he had posted this as an explanation for why. Miss Steamfisher Okra Body Davina Bennett was not invited to the Miss Universe coronation. Also stated that the Zuri franchise had excluded her on purpose. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.